Chief's range of soot and touchless cleaning hardware is easily customisable. Our selection of lances can be attached to our high pressure guns via the quick connector for easy changes. Our basic lances come in a variety of lengths, with or without a conveniently angled tip that facilitates tall vehicle cleaning. Handles can be added, which makes for comfortable control during power washing. All our lances are suitable for soap application, power washing and the final rinse. The rollover lance allows rapid switching between soap and water. So foam on your soap, twist and power wash, available in 2 different sizes. The flexible end of the push-pull lance is fantastic for reaching over high vehicles or for cleaning the undercarriage. You can lock the angle of the bend by tightening the handle and away you go. There is a wheel attachment available to make rolling under the vehicle super simple. We also stock a range of easy turn lances that are gentle on the wrist. They're available in a variety of lengths, suitable for tall vehicles and tight wash bays. Whatever it is you're cleaning, Chiefs has the touchless cleaning hardware necessary to streamline the job. No elbow grease needed.